So writing speed. Most of us write with very fast speed. If I ask you, have you seen doctors writing? Anybody can answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it readable?
No, not for laymen.
There is no electricity, so you can't see my video, but you can hear me well. There's going to be a storm right now. Okay. So we write in three basic ways. Either relatively faster. Are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Relatively faster, or in the medium or the optimum speed, and relatively slower. How we can measure the speed? Is there any measuring tool for speed? Is there any measuring tool for speed? Can we measure the speed? So there are parameters to measure the speed, whether it is faster or slower. If the handwriting is not very much clear, if the letters are too much wavy, so you can easily say it is written in faster speed. But there can be a confusion, a limitation if the person do not know how to write. If you are dealing with an illiterate person, and if he makes only some strokes, you can't say that he is writing fast or he is very intelligent or like that. So we need to be careful with the person we are dealing with, and then we need to identify the speed of the handwriting relatively. So the term relatively have to be used always, because there is no measuring tool for the writing speed. We cannot say it is the fast, it is the fastest. So there is always a faster, relatively faster, or relatively slower in comparison to the other handwriting. So these are the three parameters. Now there are some other classifications also. But first of all, let us know the handwriting speed tells about the intelligence, the spontaneity, or the laziness, or the delayedness in our guarded behavior. Now, if I show you these, implies this. If I show these two examples and if I ask you which is faster, A or B, anybody can answer.
A is
A
faster.
is faster.
And how to get to know this?
Because the words are not clear.
The words are not clear. Very good. Some
Clear
words are.
letters are.
Sir, pressure is applied more in the B.
I want to open the chat box. Chat box. Ms. Bhagshri, have you allowed me to see the chat box?
The ending seems to be very abrupt, like as if somebody has tried to finish it very fast.
Yeah, Ms. Bhagshri, I can't see the chat box. Is there any possibility? Because people might be writing there.
Sir, chat is disabled for everyone.
Ah. So can it be enabled?
Host can only give the permission.
Sir, actually, due to some network issue, I am unable to do it. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay, no issues then. We'll see. Okay, so this one is faster because of non-clearance of the letters. The letters are being omitted. It is taking much more space. Okay, so there is no tool to compare or to measure the speed, but it can be measured easily with certain features and characteristics, as we will study in the next slide. Out of these two, which one is faster, A or B?
B is faster.
And how you get to know that?
The
Again,
same reason there is spacing and
Sir, pressure is applied more
more
in
on the
A.
A, and when person is applying more pressure, he cannot be writing faster. To write fast, he has to apply slightly lighter pressure. And also the letters are not clear. The letters have been omitted. The